cuties, so today I wanted to make a YouTube video to let you guys know that I haven't gone missing and died and been chopped up in a refrigerator or something somewhere. So I've decided to do a YouTube survey. And I am super excited because I really actually love surveys. It was made by the SWAT sisters, and I highly suggest that you check them out, especially if you are into the nerdfighteria type stuff, because they like that and you do, and it'd be cool and they'd get more viewers, so do it. So anyways, getting to the questions, the first question is, what is the most exciting thing going on in your life right now? So, the most exciting thing going on in my life right now is probably not that exciting at all, but I have a job, so I'm making money. Because, in the good words of Honey Boo Boo Dollar, make me holla. I'm really lame. I wish I had something really exciting and fun to tell you guys. But really, that's it. Oh no, wait. I've got it. I just bought 4 dresses, and I know that's not very exciting to most people, but I love dresses. They are my addiction, my strange addiction. And I'm just super excited about that. Yes, life. That wasn't exciting either, was it? It's okay. I'm cool like that. Next question. What do you most geek out about? I think I most geek out about probably Doctor Who right now, but if Buffy the Vampire Slayer was still on TV, that would be what I geeked out about like the most. Because just because Doctor Who is still on TV, I just can geek out about it constantly and find things to relate to my life to it and stuff. But like Buffy the Vampire Slayer, oh my god. I think this proves how much I geek out about it. Just look at the hand movements. What upcoming movie are you most excited to see? I am most definitely most excited to see Kick-Ass 2. I was such a big fan of Kick-Ass 1, and I have a poster in my room of it, and it's one of my favorite movies. So I am super excited to see them kick some ass. Woohoo! How do you take your tea? I take my tea with like a whole big load of sugar. Just so much sugar. I'm a sugary person. I like my stuff very sweet. And I also put half and half in it. And it just all tastes creamy and sweet. And that's the way I like it. Who is your favorite Doctor Who baddie? My favorite Doctor Who baddie was definitely the Master. I was just so captivated while he was on screen that there's no way that he isn't my favorite baddie. But a close second is definitely the Empty Children. They terrified me. I was so scared. I watched that at like 2 or 3 in the morning because I basically watched the entirety of season 1 in one night. And, oh my goodness, that may not have been the best choice. What website do you visit every single day? I definitely visit Tumblr and Twitter every day. It's an addiction. Nutella on My Firstborn Child. Kirk or Picard? Kirk. I may be very biased though because I really like the newer movies. So I think Chris Pine is Chris Fine. No, but I do like Captain Kirk though. So anyways, I'll see you guys when I post my next big planned video over the next couple weeks or so, I'd hope. Hopefully by this weekend would be really cool because I'm going to be home alone this weekend. Gonna have a house party in my house with me and my YouTube camera. Anyway, so I will see you guys later. Party on, cuties. Bye!